Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobile's RYK YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix app not available in App Store. So guys, without waste your time, let's start this video. If your iPhone App Store Apple ID says app not available, this app is currently not available in your country and region, how to fix this issue? If you are facing this issue, keep watching the video until the end and follow all steps. Number one is open the App Store app on your iPhone, tap on profile icon, tap on Apple ID or App Store account, wait 5 to 10 seconds. You can see appears on screen, enter your Apple ID password. You can see appears on screen Apple ID, manage payment, subscription, purchase history, add money to account, country and region and reviews. You can see tap on country and region. Wait 5 to 10 seconds, tap on country and region. Select your country or region. My country name is can see agree terms and condition, select none option, add fill the address, tap on next. Wait 5 to 10 seconds. You can see appears on screen fixed. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix app not available in App Store on iPhone, iPad and iPod Touch. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.